I'm the one that would be doing the retool. You know you'd make more money if you had new equipment. You know that.
Yeah, but trust me, I keep updates every 2-3 years. That's what I do. I keep update to the dryer, the washer. Anything gets old,
So you bring in
and I'm gonna
used
give you
equipment.
advice. Yeah, but I'm gonna give you advice. Hello?
Rami, my name's Danny. I'm interested in leasing some space from you, my friend.
Yeah.
It's my understanding you
Yeah.
own the building, right? And you operate the business as well?
Yeah, I have worker.
Well, I don't mean you're there every working hour, but it's your business. So Rami, I have a few laundries myself, and my interest is in talking lease terms with landlords. The fact that you operate the laundry doesn't really change that. If you're very happy running the business and the profit that you come up with at the end of the month when you're taking care of all the bills, fantastic. Don't change a thing. If you want to sell it, I can't really offer you any cash reward because I don't buy laundries. But if you'd like to lease it at some point, whether that's today, tomorrow, next week, next year, that's my interest. I like to lease existing laundries, put new equipment in, and operate them. I'm not a broker or a salesman. I don't sell equipment. I don't sell laundromats. I want to run more stores, and I make that success happen by dealing direct with landlords, if that makes any sense.
Yeah, it is. But what I'm gonna do, man, with my I have like 95 washer and 67 dryer. What I'm gonna do?
What are you going to do with them? Well, you can have them. I'll put them all in your driveway because when it's time for this place to be retooled, I'm the one that would be doing the retool. You know you'd make more money if you had new equipment. You know that.
Yeah, but trust me, I keep updates every 2-3 years. That's what I do.
I don't think so.
I keep update to the dryer, the washer. Anything gets old,
So you bring in
and I'm gonna
used
give you
equipment.
advice. Yeah, but I'm gonna give you advice.
Don't even think about that.
New equipment, you're gonna spend over, I would say, 700,000-800,000 on that because you have no idea. Like I have 4 washer, it's $44,000. That's the machine. Actually, 22, so 86,000 just per washer, 80 pounder.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? That's the even the dryer. We used to get it for 4,268, almost 7,200, just each one.
So every few years, you're bringing in slightly newer equipment than what you have, refurbished.
Yes. Yeah, yep.
Well, I
What I mean? And
appreciate
it's the
I
same.
appreciate the advice. So you've got an employee, and you're
Yes,
very
just
happy with the
don't
business.
don't end up with the new washer or dryer.
You
Don't.
got it.
There is like eBay, wherever there is company in the
What about
Chicago.
the
What
what
I mean?
about the depreciation and the tax benefits on new equipment?
Um, mine it's paid off everything. I don't have no loan, nothing. Off the building and the equipment, everything.
Save my number, and if you change your mind, let me know.
Yeah, but the problem, I no number. I don't know.
What's your email address? I'll send you an email.
At gmail.com.
Good. I'll send you an email. I'll make sure my cell phone number's in there, and my partner Yusuf
Yeah.
is CC'd.
Yeah, because it's so unknown number. That's why private number. I'm sorry.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for the advice, buddy. No. Let me give you some advice. Don't buy the new equipment. Ever. That's for the fool.
Why do they always say you got a private number?
That's for the fool. I thought he was saying he had a private
What?
number.
No, it's saying your private number. Your number.
I don't want to give you my number.
Say that.
My number private.
Mhm.
My
All right, the
number-
next one on the list
My number private.
is
My number
is
too
the
private. Let me give you some
the
advice.
note.
Every 2 or 3 weeks, I put new equipment.
Man, those are like old. There's no way those aren't lightly used.
I
Those
put
are
new
like fucking
in,
old
whether it
ones.
needs it or not. Every 2 days, I'm bringing in new. Let me give you some advice. Let me give you some
Huh.
advice. Don't ever have sex with man without mustache. My advice.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.